Today, the objective to study what is plane wave, what is uniform plane wave, and next one is the wave equation of EM wave. What is the plane wave? Plane wave means transporting energy and information, that is called plane wave. The wave light such as your radio wave, TV signals and radar beams, etc. are the wave. In the plane wave, what is the plane wave? Plane wave is a special case of wave. What is meant by the plane wave? Means a plane wave are infinite number of wave front normal to direction of propagation. In other way, what is the wave front? Here you see the what is the wave front. Wave front means surface of constant phase. Also see you in a diagram. Overall means plane wave are an infinite number of wave front normal to direction of propagation, and wave front is the surface of constant phase. You see here the wave is traveling in z direction. This one shows you in a rectangular form is the plane wave. Infinite number of plane wave which is traveling in a z direction. You also see in a online. This one shows you. This one shows propagation in a z direction. This is your plane wave. You see here. This also written as a plane wave is the wave whose wave front is infinite parallel planes. Also next one is the your uniform plane wave. Uniform plane wave means electric and magnetic field component, they are all same at all points in direction of propagation, and direction of propagation to perpendicular to electric and magnetic field. Electric and magnetic field also perpendicular to each other. This one also shows you the plane wave. This one shows you the electric field component, this one, and shaded diagram is the magnetic field component. Means electric field component and magnetic field component, these are perpendicular to each other. Also it is perpendicular direction of propagation. This one is the direction of propagation. Okay, means z direction, here consider z direction is wave propagating, and electric field is the y-axis. This one is the z-axis, and magnetic field is your x-axis. Means electric field and magnetic field perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular direction of propagation. Means plane wave means infinite number of wave front normal to direction of propagation, and wave front is the surface of constant phase. And next one, uniform plane wave means all the points in the direction of propagation, electric field and magnetic field is the same, means magnitude are same in direction of propagation, that is called uniform plane wave. Next, move to wave equation. Wave equation is the equation that is represented in an electric wave equation and magnetic field wave equation. Electric wave equation and magnetic field wave equation, both terms known as the wave equation. We first consider a isotropic, homogeneous and lossy dielectric material is the charge field. Charge field means rho v value is equal to 0. Rho v is for the volume charge density is equal to 0. Linear, isotropic and homogeneous. Homogeneous means all the points is the same. In isotropic means in all the direction the property is the same. Means in terms of direction no property is dependent, that is the isotropic. If direction dependent property, then anisotropic means not a isotropic medium. Means direction independent property, that is the isotropic. Homogeneous means all the point is the same everywhere property, that is the homogeneous medium. Lossy dielectric means something loss is present this medium. Here consider to derive a wave equation, Maxwell for equation we use here. Now we convert the Maxwell equation, some use of this rho v value is equal to 0 and in terms of j omega, means phasor form terms. Here del y del t is represented by j omega, this one is phasor form. Also first go to the first equation of Maxwell equation, del dot d is equal to rho v, means this is derived from Gauss law, and we put here d is equal to, d is the electric flux density, this one relation is equal to d is equal to epsilon E. That one was the relation of electric flux density we put here. Then arrange this value rho v upon epsilon. Now put the value of rho v, then this term of equation is come out. Next move to second Maxwell equation, that is the non-existent monopole. That's why this equation come. Now put the value of B is equal to mu s. B is the magnetic flux density, is the relation mu s. And now arrange this equation, mu is used in the right hand side, then replace value come to 0. This is the equation second. Now move to third equation of Maxwell equation. Now put here differential operator in the phasor form j omega, and B value is put B is equal to mu s. Now arrange this value, this one relation come out. This is the third equation. Now this is the fourth equation of Maxwell equation, last fourth equation. This is the conduction current density, this is the displacement current density. We know that conduction current density is equal to sigma E. This one the relation, conduction current density, and displacement current density is the time rate change of magnetic, not magnetic, that is the electric flux density. Time rate change of electric flux density is the displacement current. Displacement current density. Now we put the del by del t, means partial differential operator j omega, and d is equal to epsilon E. This one come to. Now put this value in this equation. The equation fourth is come in this form. Now taking, here is written there, taking the equation third, both side the curl, taking equation curl in both sides. Now taking the curl in the both side, then del cross E, here is written there, taking both side. Now in the right hand side we taken curl. Now we use operator in this h. Now this equation fifth is created. Now use a vector additive. Vector additive means one of the relation of vector in this form, that is written del cross A is equal to del dot divergence of A minus del square A. This one relation. Now put this value in this form. Now he is written here in this form. E vector, here is a general A vector used. Now put A vector in place of E. This one relation come out. Now in this right hand side is the same relation. Now we put the some relation, that is the del cross E value is equal to 0. Now put in this equation del cross is equal to value 0. Then this term is 0. And del cross S value is put from the equation 4. This is the wrong here, equation 4. One here is not 2. Here is use a 1 equation, because this one is the equation 1. Del dot is equal to 0, and next we put the equation 4, del cross S. Now we put here, then term is the 0. This term is available. Now use this term and del cross S value also put here. Then this equation come in this form. Now move to arrange such value. Now this one come to in this form. Arrange in the left hand sided and equal to 0 right hand sided. Now one term is assigned as a gamma square. Now gamma square value is the j omega mu under in brackets sigma plus j omega. This one of the constant gamma square. Now this one gamma square is known as propagation constant, not a gamma square. Gamma is known as propagation constant. This one relation of the called as a electric wave equation, electric field wave equation. Now similar way use a magnetic wave equation. This one can use a similar magnetic field wave equation. This one comes magnetic field wave. Both equation is there the vector wave equation. Now this one will derive your vector wave equation or wave equation. Now the use here the gamma is the propagation constant, and in under root j omega mu, and in brackets sigma plus j omega epsilon. Now also one of the relation gamma is called alpha plus delta. Alpha is the attenuation constant and beta is the phase constant. In the unit, propagation constant meter minus 1, attenuation constant unit per meter, and beta is the phase constant in the radian per meter. Means per meter how much radian is covered, and per meter how much attenuated the signal, and per meter how is gamma is propagated. Now today in our lecture